Transferring your investment account from Charles Schwab to ETrade can seem daunting, but with the right steps, you can make the process smooth and efficient. First, ensure you have both accounts set up. If you don't have an ETrade account yet, visit their website and create one by providing the required personal and financial information. Next, gather the necessary information for your transfer. You will need your account number and other details from your Charles Schwab account. It is also a good idea to review your holdings to ensure all assets can be moved without issues. Some assets may not be eligible for transfer, so make sure to account for that during your preparation. Once you have everything ready, log into your ETrade account and navigate to the transfer section. You will see an option to transfer an account. Follow the prompts to complete the online transfer request. You'll need to provide information about your Charles Schwab account and agree to any terms and conditions required by ETrade. After submitting your transfer request, keep an eye on your email for updates regarding the status of your transfer. It typically takes about 5 to 7 business days for the transfer to complete, but it can vary based on your account specifics and the assets involved. Once the transfer is finalized, double-check your ETrade account to ensure all intended assets have arrived correctly.